For number 8, it says find the distance between the points -5, 2 and 3 and -4 on the coordinate plane. Round your answer to the nearest tenth if necessary. So go ahead and plot -5, 2 and 3, -4. And then we need to create a triangle. And we need to count how many we have on each side here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and then that means you're going to find the C, the length of C. So I would go ahead and set up Pythagorean theorem. So C squared, or A squared plus B squared equals C squared. If I add, we get 100. And the square root of C squared would be, or square root of 100 is 10. Okay, for the special right triangle properties, I'm going to have you guys be able to use the triangle I gave you guys, the two triangles on the yellow paper. So this right here. So the first one is 45, 45, 90 triangle. So I see that I'm given a leg of 4. So here's my leg, it's 4. We know that the other leg is the same thing. So both legs are 4. What is the hypotenuse of this triangle? Well, if I look here, I've got to use x radical 2. 4 is the leg, or x, so that means this is 4 radical 2. Okay, in number 10, again it's a 45, 45, 90, so the hypotenuse is defined by x radical 2, and that's what we were given, the hypotenuse, which means that x is 7. That means the legs are also 7. In the bottom two, these are 30, 60, 90, so we're using the other side of the paper. Okay, so we're given the short leg, which is defined as x. So x equals the short leg. The long leg is defined as x radical 3, but we know that x is 5, so that's 5 radical 3. And the hypotenuse is defined as 2x. Again, x is 5, so 2 times 5 is 10. For number 12, we are given that the long leg is is 10 radical 3, which we know the formula is x radical 3, which means that x is 10. If x is 10, that's your short leg, x. And then your hypotenuse is 2 times x, which is 2 times 10, and that is 20. Oh, sorry, I didn't do that. So there you go.